Hey guys, Dino H. Carter here from the branding, and today I want to talk about Google and why is it so important. In August 2019, Google accounted for 75.74% of all worldwide searches on mobile and on desktop. More than 75% of all searches around the world made on Google. Regarding the USA, the second quarter of 2019, Google claimed 93% of all organic search and results. 93%. What does it mean? And forget about how Google big, because we know that Google is much bigger than we even think. But for you, the business owner, the business manager, the entrepreneur that needs and wants to promote their business, their products, their service, that means that you have to be on Google. Now, what does it mean to be on Google? Because people think, well, I have a website, so of course I'm on Google. When people look for that, they will see me. You know, everybody goes on Google. But the thing is that if you're not in the first results on Google, if you don't come up as the first search results for an inquiry, for a search term on Google, no one will know about you, no one will go to your website unless they know about you, they know about your website, and they will directly go to your website, www.xyz.com or whatever. The direct is great, but we want to be on Google. We want to be on the top, if we can, 3 to 5 search results, those lines that you get after you search something on Google. So you want to be there when someone is asking Google a search term that can relate to your product, service, business, because sometimes it's not specifically, and you know that the competition is fierce. So you have to be there first. SEO, search engine optimization. You have to optimize your website to search engines. Once you have good SEO, once your website is optimized to search engines, it's optimized for everything, not only Google, Bing, Yahoo, and so on. But Google is so big. You need a professional to do that. And it takes time. But the ROI on a good SEO is amazing. I have clients that more than 50% of the traffic to the website is from SEO. So it's a lot of new traffic, a lot of new visitors to your website that would never know about your product or services or business without SEO, without finding out about you on Google. The second thing is ads. Google ads, again, you should go to the professionals because it is really, well, I'll tell you this, from my experience, I can tell you that if you try to do it yourself and manage all your Google campaigns, you're gonna lose tons of money. I mean, really. There's a way to do it and a way to do it well. And I know how it is when you're an entrepreneur, a small business, and you're just starting, you do everything in your business. So you need to think, what can I do and must do, and what I am really going to spend too much time and too much money and actually kill my business. I know about some small businesses, they went belly up because of Google ads, because they try to do it themselves instead of just take someone who's a professional and knows how to do it right and how to get return on investment, ROI, instead of you don't know anything about that, you don't really know how the game works, but you want to play the game. I mean, I don't get it. So again, you have to be on Google. You have to do it with content, with SEO, and if you can, with Google Ads. Now, let's say your marketing budget is too small and you don't have enough money for Google Ads, here's a great tip. Make it a goal for next year to have enough money to have Google Ads. Think, how am I to make enough money this year so next year I can start explore Google Ads because I have enough money. So just make it as a goal, you know? Be on Google, do SEO first, and go to professionals.